Welcome back to our update for Open, guys. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here is only for educational purposes, and we're not provide any financial advice. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So first of all, guys, let us discuss Open because right now 13% and actually have a new high around almost the $6. And of course, the squeeze started once we reverse from this ascending channel, as we discussed before on our Discord, guys. If you don't know, now you know. We always do major update for Open once the price was around the 5, and before that, of course, we did for Open before even this jump on the bottom. And I think we did the last update, we did it here once the price was around the 5.75, and beyond that, once we have the breakout from the $3.80. Link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join our Discord and Patreon. And for now, guys, we have a really good trend here. We got a really good jump, and then we have a big whale buying. We have a reversal. Again, big whale buying here, another reversal. So now there's a chance for a major squeeze for today toward the 650, 750, and almost the $8.75. So if we went there, we might do 50%. So around the $6.39, this is the other major level that we might test. For my opinion, it is a critical zone here for Open to go toward this level. And after that, the other levels, of course, almost the $10. But for now, it is a critical moment because we need to hold over this breakout. We don't want to have a fake out for Open around this level, exactly around the 14% up. So now what we should expect, first of all, watch out for the support over the $5.33, which is a really important support. And the other support is the $4.82. And now we might go toward the $6.39 and then the $7.50. And the ultimate level, for my opinion, is around the $8.75. We're going to discuss the major update for Open and where we'll go by tomorrow, Friday, because we might have a gap up in the pre-market because of this volatility. And of course, the volume is picking up almost $500 million worth of volume. So this is really good. We see a lot of anticipation and a lot of traders actually trading open right now and feeling the FOMO right now after having new high. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow.